The Bitcoin charts show interesting patterns, which everyone should watch. Yesterday, we witnessed even though there wasn't much bad news released, the market nevertheless collapsed. However, what I'm about to reveal, gentlemen, is there's something going on with you. I believe the events of Monday could provide a clear explanation. We witnessed this decline, and I would like to review the charts for XRP and Bitcoin. As we speak, guys, for the longest time people fed, let me tell you why I believe this drop was nothing more than noise and a setup for a strong formation that will push us far higher. Guys, I also want to talk about two significant breakthroughs that are coming to the XRP ledger right now. The XRP ledger reports no progress. I would prefer not to introduce you to any builders. Once again, this is all mere nonsense, as the XRP ledger is set to undergo two significant changes that will permanently alter it, as is customary. I am deeply grateful to all those who have enjoyed the videos and subscribed to the channel. Your support is invaluable. Changing these things truly does help me. Friends, I go live virtually every day, therefore, if you are not already watching them, please click the bell. I go live a lot too. I am providing this notice to keep you informed. I hope you like the content, guys. Let me start by quickly going over some huge improvements that are coming to the XRP ledger. For a long time, the XRP ledger was frustrated that projects weren't moving forward or that their projects were leaving, but as I often mention on this channel, most people are just fun. They don't have any sources for poor development, so spreading this nonsense is simply what they're doing. This is because the XRP ledger isn't progressing in real time. You'll notice that the XRP ledger is experiencing a development boom. I wanted to demonstrate this to you by showing you the conference that is currently taking place on the screen, which is for developers to build DApps on the XRP ledger using the EVM sidechain. One of the upcoming amendments to the XRP ledger is a sidechain that replicates the EVM, or essentially the Ethereum network. Now, the reason this is such a big deal is that the majority of blockchain programmers are familiar with Solidity, the native smart contract language for Ethereum. As a result, many developers have fantastic project ideas but lack the time or knowledge necessary to implement them on the XRP ledger. Because the XRP ledger lacks a smart contract, it is now impossible to build it on the main chain without delving into its pros and cons. Instead, the teams at Ripple and XRP Ledger have chosen to create a sidechain linked to the XRP ledger, allowing us to transfer all of these fantastic Ethereum projects into the ecosystem of the XRP ledger and provide them with a quick and effective blockchain. Guys, one of the biggest problems with projects utilizing Ethereum is that it is costly and slow. They would love to be able to switch to fast and efficient chains, but they don't want to have to completely rewrite the project or write new smart contracts. As a result, the EVM sidechain will enable these developers to utilize the efficiency and speed of the XRP ledger. Guys, without having to remove all of their project's roots at this time, simply view the attached image. Look it over. How quickly this is gaining traction. Moreover, this object is not even alive. I find it quite evident that developers would want to join the XRP ledger if they were provided with the necessary building tools at this time. We're seeing a surge in the resources available to these developers. And folks, this is going to lead to a huge increase in projects developed on the XRP ledger, in my opinion. All I wanted to do was tell you about this. Right away, folks, as I've noticed a lot of individuals spreading false information about how nobody is building on the XRP ledger and how nobody is interested in it. You are currently observing a crowded room full of developers who are prepared to begin developing new applications. I believe there will be a Cambrian explosion of new initiatives and applications on the XRP ledger. We are receiving these things so quickly now that it's difficult to keep track of them, which just goes to show that this stuff isn't occurring. The XRP ledger is about to receive another crucial announcement. Guys, this is a phony native lending protocol that we're looking at. It could not be more bogus. We are approaching the XRP ledger, which should spark a massive explosion in the DeFi ecosystem. As many of you are aware, we recently launched an automated market maker tool for the XRP ledger, which is a sophisticated liquidity tool. However, we still lack a lending protocol, which is essential for creating yield between various parties. The XRP ledger seems to have undergone an amendment to incorporate a lending protocol. What we're watching, gentlemen, is the XRP ledger. Many other DeFi ecosystems jumped right into the game, so is the XRP ledger catching up to the other D ecosystems out there? Although the XRP ledger attracted a lot of early development, I believe Ripple and the team realized that the process of importing smart contracts and other elements burdened the chain, causing it to become slow and inefficient. This, in turn, led to numerous bugs, resulting in significant money loss and theft. Is it acceptable if we simply allow several of these other projects to identify every problem? When institutions are prepared to participate, they can do so in a secure, quick, and effective ecosystem that is institutionally ready for enterprise if we let these other ventures sort of experiment in the market and choose the things we like most. Folks, in the end, I don't think of cryptocurrencies as tiny retail financial systems. It's not even farmland. These coins, which are potato, dog, and NFT projects, are the foundation of a whole new financial system. By the biggest organizations in existence, so that they may take advantage of this future generation financial system in a compliant manner. The biggest institutions will ultimately demand an enterprise-ready chain that is fast, efficient, and safe. I believe that this vision is becoming a reality. A lot of people claim that the XRP ledger collapsed because it was visible in real time. Guys, I have a sense that this is going to turn out to be the winning tactic, even if a lot of people said earlier that nobody would want to visit this ecosystem because these changes were taking a bit longer to happen. Because, as we previously said, there is a great deal of demand to develop a quick, effective blockchain that truly functions. Not even the institutions have arrived yet. I believe that when they intervene, it will be clear which blockchain they will choose, guys. After the market experienced a massive sell-off yesterday, I wanted to quickly wrap up this video and discuss the charts because I noticed a lot of people panicking. What this means is a question that many individuals have. Guys, it really doesn't seem to imply anything. I'd like to speak out now and get right to it. How did the charts get lost? The forums appear, and then I'll discuss why I believe this sell-off happened since there wasn't much news. Alright, guys. If we look at the charts, we can see that the price of Bitcoin has exactly dropped to the support line. When you look at the chart and think, this makes the sell-off look like nothing, you get what I mean. Guys, it's nothing more than pure noise. I'm pretty sure this sell-off is nothing more than insignificant noise. Although Bitcoin initially crashed spectacularly, it eventually simply returned to the range and pattern it was already forming. I fully expect Bitcoin to continue plunging lateral within this arrangement until it has the potential to break in the end. Many people believed that this would be the crash down to 20K or the crash down to 13K, but as you can see, guys, when you zoom out, all that's left is noise. If the situation was nearly identical, examine the XRP price chart to understand the impact. Trading in this range, XRP was attempting to break out before returning and testing this lower support level, and is merely acting out the pattern that I have been observing in a lot of people. We're correct when we say that XRP broke out of its support area and is now plunging back down to the low 13-cent range, but folks, this is simply the way charts work. Folks, it seems like XRP will keep consolidating in this area till then. At some point, a catalyst will appear. Something that really rips this stuff off pent-up XRP. We have prepared it for use, but we need to await the arrival of one item. Does it need a single catalyst to take off? Guys, XRP has never surged ahead of Bitcoin in any previous bull market. The price of Bitcoin has recently surpassed its peak. Chart nothing has changed, Bitcoin is still consolidating at its all-time high. Nothing has changed. As we spoke at the beginning of the video, folks, the fundamentals for XRP are rising, and we are in an ideal position for this bull market. XRP needs to catch up to the rest of the market, and it will do so quickly and explosively. This gives me the confidence to know that when XRP breaks out of this gigantic symmetrical triangular formation, it will be upside down. It's crucial, guys, to comprehend. We're currently watching it. Just the way XRP travels, it's just the way XRP responds. Many people find themselves shaken up by I honestly don't believe you should be here right now, folks, with this guy. I want to wrap things up. I want to discuss the reasons behind the recent crash and why, despite what the price charts suggest, we have already reached the bottom. Hong Kong ETFs for Bitcoin and Ethereum are going live, and we are witnessing the world begin to really embrace cryptocurrencies. We are also witnessing the adoption of cryptocurrencies by institutions around the world. As one of the biggest jurisdictions in the world, Hong Kong has a lot of financial wealth, and when this wealth is applied to the cryptocurrency market, it will blow up. Gentlemen, just before the ETFs became online, we witnessed the same thing, a sharp decline. I hypothesized that perhaps folks were simply looking for a somewhat cheaper cryptocurrency, guys. If that's what we are currently seeing, I wouldn't be shocked in the slightest if Monday arrived. Then we witness us decisively tearing off the support line to return to this highest point of resistance. Guys, it appears to me that the organizations are merely role-playing. They are trying to acquire a less expensive cryptocurrency because there isn't a better alternative available. What we are witnessing is accurate. This asset is now being used by the entire public. General acceptance of cryptocurrencies, we both possess a wealth of knowledge. People are aimlessly pursuing the wrong goals. Following memes and jokes, pursuing unsustainable endeavors. What is Ripple's development? What the XRP is creating to advance. Many believe that developers is hopium. However, it's actually a fast and efficient blockchain that will support the next generation financial system. I think we're watching the infrastructure for the next generation of financial systems being built, and if you think cryptocurrencies were introduced to the world just to create pony scheme yield generating tokens or the next joke of a meme coin, I would say you're a little out of your mind. This technology seems capable of doing it, at least powerful enough, in my opinion, to watch it unfold in real time. In any case, I want to thank all of you for coming. I hope this update was enjoyable. Did you remember to subscribe and like? Genuinely does mean a great deal.